Okay, we've got a new product to check out. This is the WireCare. This is specifically from Brook Livin. Let's open this up and see what comes inside. Slide out box. Pop out there. That's great. Boom, there's the box. Got our manual. Nice. We got a manual here. It does come in multiple different languages. It tells you how to use the product. So the way this is designed, you plug this in to a socket, and then you can hit that button, and it will illuminate on the bottom here whether the socket's in good health, needs work, or is bad. And so this is a good way to test to make sure the wires, the socket that you have in your house are not causing any kind of problems or issues. And they even gave you a set of stickers to mark your outlets with to make sure that you know the status for it. This is a good way to test a home before you move in, making sure everything is fine. You can do this with a rental unit. Tell your landlord, hey, these plugs are messed up. You can do this with a place right before you buy it. That way you make sure that it's going to basically not need any additional electrical work before you move in. So it's really good. It's got apparently a breakdown into 3 bars inside the healthy. If you go to it's 8 bars. It's brand new socket. Cables are capable of lighting up all 8 bars. 7 bars and you pay attention to power use. 1 inspection every 3 months is needed. You go down to 5 bars, which is going to be in this little yellow area here, and that's going to be 1 inspection every 3 months, 1 inspection every 2 months, 1 inspection every month is needed, and then this bottom one here is contact an electrician for maintenance. So that's really cool. So let's take this, let's give this a try, see what it looks like, and then we'll be right back. While peace of mind is just as important as, the safety, it's also important to note that you need to make sure that your plugs are good. So regardless of the outcome, it's always a good idea to try out and check what's going on. Another thing they wanted us to check out for the same company are these really cool RSLA rechargeable AAA batteries. So they are about 30 milliamps as normal AAA batteries are. You can use them. It's got a positive and negative. But when these things die, you can just pull them out one by one, and you can charge them back up with this USB cable. That's so cool. I can't believe like a battery this small, it's got a literal USB-C cable that plugs into it to charge it up. That's awesome. They're very lightweight. They feel pretty much just like regular AAA batteries. But if you use a device that basically just burns through AAA batteries, these can make you feel a little bit more conscientious about your decisions. So that's really cool. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I definitely recommend to keep yourself feeling safe. This product is going to make you feel really confident in your housing. But we'll see you guys next time. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.